Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve another 3D CAD model drawing. So here we are going to draw the 3D CAD model. Again we are going to apply the material as a steel to this component and record the surface area. And last is we are going to export this CAD model in at least two views, orthographic views, and we are going to give all the dimensions. So if you see here, so here is the cylinder of 12.5 radius and outer radius cylinder is of 22.5, means 45 diameter. So here is also that similar semi cylindrical shape is there. So let's create a drawing. Sketch on this top plane, view normal to sketch plane. So first I'm going to draw one circle, another circle on the same line. Now give the dimensions. So its dimension is 25, its dimension is 45 diameter, and distance between these two is 75, and its dimension is 15 diameter, and outer is 25 line. So this is like this. Again we are going to draw the line, vertical lines. It will be easy for us to make them as a tangent. Similarly here is the gap of 5 mm. Dimensions, let's make it tangent. This edge is tangent to this edge, and this edge is tangent to this edge. This edge is tangent to this edge, and this edge is tangent to this edge. Okay, now give the dimensions. This to this, the dimension is 15. Okay, now from this to this, dimension is 5, and from this edge to this, the dimension is 2.5. Now trim the unwanted. This is not required, this is not required. Now next, this is not required, this is not required. Okay, done. Next, extrude. Select this. So we can select individual sketch also in this. So this 50 mm height. Again extrude. So make it show sketch, so it will be visible. So this, so its height is 20 mm. Okay, next sketch, maybe do normal to sketch plane. Now here we are going to draw the rib. So so this rib, Okay, so next is, so here we have to draw the rib. So distance between these two edges is say 10 mm, and distance of this to this is 5 mm. Next, coincident, this circle should be coincident with this. Okay, and this circle should be coincident with this. Now trim the unwanted to this. So here if you see here, so I am going to not going to draw rib up to this corner point. I am going to draw up to this. Okay, so it will be the properly connect the two faces. Okay, extrude, select this in reverse direction, that it rib height is 35. Now we can check it. You can see here this is rib height is 35. Okay, so now there is 10 mm thickness. This portion is there. Okay, it at the bottom of the rib. So let's draw it. Sketch. So first I have to divide this view normal to sketch plane line. So I have to cut this rib. Extrude, select this sketch, remove. Okay, now it is properly rib. Now sketch on this bottom plane, view normal to sketch plane. So here that is, again I'm going to draw lines. Okay, next is tangent. This edge is tangent to this edge. Points done. Tangent, this edge is tangent to this edge. This edge is tangent to this edge. This edge is tangent to this edge. Trim. So we are going to trim the unwanted portion. Done. So thickness, extrude. Okay, select this sketch. So its thickness is 10 mm. Done. Now it is properly done. Now next is that we are going to take the plane 25 mm apart. So here I am going to select plane. From this bottom plane it is 25 mm apart, so it will be at the center. Done. On this plane I am going to draw the sketch. On this plane I am going to select the sketch, view normal to sketch plane. Okay, so here, so first I am going to draw one rectangle. Okay, so we have to draw the connected surface. Okay, so it will be easy for us to draw the next things. So I'm going to draw the dimensions from this edge to this edge. The dimension is 13 mm. Okay, and from this center to this. So let's take this dimension is 13 mm from center to this. This is 35. 35 plus say 15 radius. That means 50. So that distance is 50. 50 and coincident. This edge should be coincident with this edge. Okay, so let's draw a circle. The circle should be coincident of this, should be surrounded with this. Now trim the things. Similarly, I will draw one construction line. I will make it as a construction line, so it will be easy for me. Mirror, select the mirror line, select this edge. Done. Now extrude, select the sketch 5, say symmetric. Okay, so what is the diameter of this? It is 13. So here 30. Done. Now next is that sketch on this plane, view normal to sketch plane, circle, give the dimensions. Its dimension is 16. So this phi is diameter is 16 and it is from this edge it is 15 mm apart and from this bottom also it is 15 mm apart. Done. Now next is select this sketch, extrude, remove, solid, remove, select this sketch. So we are going to say through all. Up to next, or we can provide the thick, say 30, we can provide 40. Next is fillet, give the corner radius fillet to this. So this here we have to provide fillet radius say 15. Similarly, select this corner, select this edge, provide fillet 15. Okay, now this diagram is completed. But now we can see here it is showing the 4 parts. Okay, if I export this, okay, it will create only part of this drawing. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. We have to do the boolean operations. Select the boolean operation command. Select the part 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it is created the our final parts. Hide, you can hide this, you can hide this, you can hide this, you can hide this. See, so this is our fifth part. Okay, final part. So now if you select this, if I say measure, say surface area, so it keep. Okay, so I will select this. So you can see 27,999. This is the surface area. Now if you want to apply the material, select it, assign material. So here from library I will say stainless steel, 300 stainless steel. Okay. If you want to export this part, export, create drawing of part 5, all dimension and millimeters. So okay. And now next is that we can give the dimension to this. So give the dimensions. So you can see here. So here I will going to give the dimensions to this. Now next is here can give the dimensions. Some dimensions are visible in this view. Definitely if it is visible in this view, so we have to give the dimension to this. Okay, so if you select this, escape. Okay, so this is 41.61. So because this is 1.61 is going inside this. Okay, so if you don't take this, so our diagram will be look different, like this will not match with that. Next is from this to this distance is 5 mm. Okay, thickness is given from this to this distance is 5. Okay, so all dimensions are assigned. So here, okay, so you can see select the material also. So you can see this is completed.